of show.
I'm Deacon.
I'm Sophie, and today we are gonna be exploding melons.
So guys, our parents are helping us with this, so do not do this by yourself. You need a parent's permission or you need to do it with a parent.
So we have a watermelon and a cantaloupe, and we cut holes in the top.
So the watermelon is 26 inches in diameter, and the cantaloupe is 23 inches in diameter. And the watermelon weighs 10 pounds and the cantaloupe weighs 6. So guys, we are going to see which one goes the farthest when it explodes. Sophie, which one do you think is going to go farther? Why do you think that? Why do you think that?
Because it's thinner peel.
I think the watermelon, just because it's bigger and has more pieces in it, so it can fly farther. So guys, the watermelon has quite a bit of a rip in it. It had a huge piece blown out of it, and there's a bunch of pieces of the firecracker in it. By the way, the same firecracker was used on both the melon and the cantaloupe. So guys, I really can't believe it. The cantaloupe didn't take any damage at all, hardly. There's just one little crack in it.
I can't believe it. I actually can't. Is this cantaloupe older than that watermelon?
It doesn't matter.
It's an alien from outer space. Everyone, they're real. They're real, I tell ya. They're real.
So guys, I'm gonna make sure the cantaloupe explodes this time. Oh, I missed it. That's action right there, baby.
What the heck? Look at his eye! Look at his eye!
No! Die! I'm so wet.
It's time for fruit salad. Yummy, yummy.
Oh!
Ew! Because I think
You want me to hit it once?
no! It's the end of you! So that was messy. Looks like the sledgehammer worked best of all, baby.
So I got really messy. As you can see, I have cantaloupe all over me.
Look at my
It's awful.
foot. Look at my foot.
It's so wet.
Zoom in. One last for the aliens.
That was messy, guys. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications so you never miss out on any of our videos. And make sure to like and to see more cool challenges like these. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Classic meow. Fashion meow. Watermelon meow. Alien meow.